Hey, this is Simon from Nerd Safari, and we are here at the 2020 Carlisle Ford Nationals.
There's a little burnout for you, Carlisle.
Right now, we're going to go and look at some awesome Ford GTs. Most of us who saw Ford v Ferrari would probably agree that the heroes in the movie included not only Ken Miles and Carroll Shelby, but also the Ford GT. It was awesome to see examples of classic and modern GTs around Carlisle Ford Nationals. And I hear around here somewhere there's a Ford GT owner's Autocross going on, so let's go check them out. The chance to see these Ford GTs showing off on the Carlisle Autocross track was unmissable. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and check out our other Mustang videos and coverage from Carlisle Ford Nationals.